I have a top tip for you while you are down under in Australia. You need to lather on plenty of this SPF 50 or higher because the rays are very strong and you don't really want to risk getting melanoma. Okay, what you doing?
Look at this. If you're feeling stressed, a way to de-stress is to run cold water on the backs of your hands.
I thought you run it like on this
You
side.
could do that too, but on the back,
Yeah.
that works as well. But there's just something about it, run it on the back.
Oh.
Completely de-stresses. It's almost like having a drink. If you're thirsty. I am thirsty at the minute. When we travel to another country, we're always wondering, do they take cash or is everything on credit and debit cards? Well, here in Australia, we're glad to say that both cash, credit cards and debit cards are all widely accepted. In fact, very few places have said it's one or the other. The only time where actually cash has really been king is when you're taking a taxi, because they will charge you a surcharge if you are using a debit or credit card. And also you need cash if you're using laundry machines, especially the one that we use at the Ibis Hotel in Melbourne. So I'm just going to take you through all the Australian coins and bills. And they're quite unusual sizes for the coins. We'll start off from the top end and then go to the bottom. Because the $2 is very tiny. It's almost the size of a 10p or a 20p in the UK. The head of the Queen Elizabeth II is still on the back. We haven't seen any coins with King Charles III. I don't know if any have been produced as yet. But it's very, very small. When you look at the dollar, so half the value but double the size. So that is quite unusual, I think. And we also have the Queen's head there, and that's a later version. I like on these coins that there are different animals depicted. I think on the dollar you've got the kangaroo. The 50 cent almost looks like a 50p coin. It's quite big. It's got, I think, 10 sides on it. I didn't count them. Very bulky. I'm not sure why they've retained such a big coin. 20 cents is quite big as well. It's almost the size of an old 10p in the UK. And 10 cents is almost the size of an old 5p in the UK. And in the lowest denomination is the 5 cent coin, which is a similar size to the $2.
Oh my gosh.
It's slightly smaller, and of course it's silver, whereas the $2 is gold. Okay, let's look at the notes, and we'll go from the highest to the lowest. So there seems to have been a change in design at some point, probably for all the notes, but with our 50s, we have got two different designs here. I think that the one on the top is the new one, and the one at the bottom is the old one. But I like this style here because of the way it says Australia. Then we move to the $20 note. Like that. The 10, like that, and you can see they've all got the security see-through markings. They are this kind of polymer, I think. And finally, the 5, and the 5 is the only bill where the monarch appears. So this is Queen Elizabeth II still appearing on the 5 here. Well, it's all a case of money, money, money.
Gosh, Marcus, thank you very much for talking us through all this currency, and it doesn't cost you a bill or a cent to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For those of you that have liked today's episode, give us a thumbs up. For those of you that haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. And for those of you that want to leave a comment, please do so as well. And if you are feeling extra generous, please consider buying us a coffee, maybe with a bill perhaps. It will surely help us along our way when we're out and about filming these YouTube videos, and the link is in the description. And until next time, we'll see you later. Cheerio. Look at this.